guys, and welcome back to the Teachify videos. Now today I'm going to explain something which is a mistake at all levels, okay? And a very good question I hear, which is the difference between I hope and I wish. So I'm going to explain this by using a little bit of Spanish because you are translating from Spanish a lot of the time. But basically what you have is I hope is something that is possible in the future. For example, I hope I can go on holiday this summer. Okay, so it's possible, so you don't know. I wish, the implication is that it's almost impossible, okay? It's, for example, it's like, I wish I had a Ferrari, okay? It's impossible, more or less, okay? Now, the question is, when do we use these two things? So, for example, I wish, I hope, these are good translations of ojalá in Spanish. So if you used, for example, let's say, ojalá tuviera un coche, for example, okay? It would be, I wish I had a car, because you are using the past subjunctive after ojalá in Spanish. So if you use the past subjunctive in Spanish, this is I wish in English. If you use the present subjunctive, for example, now personally, I like rain. I like it when it rains. So I could say, ojalá llueva mañana. This would mean, I hope it rains tomorrow, okay? Now, that means it's possible in the future. So, ojalá plus present subjunctive in your Spanish would be, I hope. Ojalá plus past subjunctive would be, I wish. And I hope that helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.